Right here, I'm having only one contact over my Google Contacts. And now let me show you a magic. So here on my Google Sheet, I'm going to make a new entry. So right here, I have made this test entry providing the first name of my lead as test, last name as user, email and the phone number. Now let's move on towards my Google Contact and see the change. So right here, I'm on my Google Contacts and I'm going to refresh this page. And as I have refreshed this page, you can see that we are successfully receiving a new contact. And you might observe one thing, that this is the same contact or the same lead which I have just added over my Google Sheet. So now you have seen the working of this amazing automation by using which I'm going to add my Google Sheet leads to my Google Contacts automatically. And for that, I don't have to do anything manually. As soon as a new entry will be made over the Google Sheet, the contact will be automatically created over my Google Contacts. So now you have seen the working of this amazing automation which I have already built in using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that can integrate thousands of applications and automate your entire business task. And this is going to save up a lot of your time and help your business to never miss any lead. Because by using this automation tool, you don't have to manually check for the leads, capture those leads and add them to your CRM, contacts or whatever application you want. And you can even send them WhatsApp messages to and can perform any task and can integrate thousands of applications by just using one and only automation tool, Pabbly Connect. So now this is going to save up a lot of your time which you can spend in the growth of your business. So now let me show you how you can grow your business with us. And for that, you have to move toward the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, where we are going to create this amazing automation integrating Google Sheet and Google Contacts. So right here, I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL, that is going to be pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, where for creating a new workflow, we just have to click over this create workflow. And right here, I'm going to create it using Quick Builder, which is the new workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, where you don't have to select trigger or action application. You just have to provide a prompt to the CI and this will automatically make the setup for those applications. So here I will be entering my prompt is connect Google Sheets with Google Contacts, and right here I'm going to select my Google Sheet trigger as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now let's select my Google Calendar action as create contact, and right here I'm going to approve it. Now let's open our workflow. So right here, I'm on the workflow page where you can see that my both applications are already integrated. And here I'm going to select Google Sheet through which I'm going to receive my new lead details. And here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect for building the connection so that we can fetch the newly added lead over the Google Sheet. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet through which I'm going to receive my new lead. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet where I have already made a new entry for my this lead named as smart user. And now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards the extensions, and here you have to select add-ons, and here you have to select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the app That is Pabbly Connect webbook. So here I have selected it, and right here this app or this application is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions. And here we are getting this option for Pabbly Connect webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box. And here we have to enter the webhook URL which we have just received from the Pabbly Connect. And now here we have to enter the trigger column. So trigger column is the last data column of the Google Sheet. So right here the last data column is D. So here I'm going to enter my trigger column as D. Now let's submit it. And right here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now we have to send this test data to this particular webhook URL which we have just received from our Pabbly Connect. So for that we just have to click over this send test, as I have already made this test entry. So right here you can see that my test data has been sent successfully. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this data over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 38 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have just filled over my Google Sheet. So now here we are successfully receiving the data. So as soon as you will make a new entry over the Google Sheet, the data will be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect. And for that you have to perform one more operation. That is, you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event, so that as soon as you make a new entry, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And you don't have to send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see that we have successfully enabled it. And now I'm going to add this particular contact over my Google Contacts. So here I have selected my Google Contacts as the application. Now let's click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you have to select this button of add new connection. Now let's sign up with a Google account, and right here I'm going to use my this account. So here I have selected it. Now let's allow the access, as my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. And here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the first name. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this. But no, here I'm not going to do so, because right here I'm going to make all these fields dynamic, which is going to replace with every new entry received over your Google Sheet. And for that, here I'm going to perform the mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step, so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the first name from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and this slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map the first name. Now let's map the last name. So here I'm going to map the last name too. And now let's map the email. So here I'm going to map it. And now I'm going to map the mobile or the phone number. So here I'm going to map it. And now we are getting this field that is for the event type. So I'm going to enable this map button and leave this field blank. And same for this URL type field as well, and for this relationship type field as well. So here I'm done with my all these fields, and these fields are not necessary. So now let's click over the save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrates that a contact might be created. So now let's move on towards my Google Contacts to check for this particular contact. So right here I'm on my Google Contacts, where I'm going to refresh this page. And here you can see that we are successfully receiving our newly added contact, having the name, smart user, email, and the phone number which I have just filled over my Google Sheet. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our Google Sheet with the Google Contacts. So now as soon as a new entry will be made over the Google Sheet, a contact will be created over the Google Contacts. So now this will let your leads to be already created as the new contact. And for that you just have to use one application, that is Pabbly Connect. And you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this particular automation. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.